Do you want a solution that how to remove attachments from emails? If yes, download the BitRecover Email Attachment Remover Wizard. This is my Gmail account. Now, you can see, here is an email that has attachment. In this video we will see how to delete email attachments in an easy way. So you can see here is many attachments and we will show you how to delete attachments using Attachment Remover. Now you will see that this is our sent mailbox and there is an attachment in this email. And then, you will see that I am going to my purchase mailbox and this email has an attachment. So, let's check how to delete email attachments using BitRecover Email Attachments Remover Wizard. As you can see, the software interface is clear and intuitive. Multiple email formats option is available here to delete attachment from any email account. Users have to select the required email source option to mass delete email attachments permanently. Now, enter your Gmail account credentials such as email address and password. To delete email attachments from your account, if your normal password of your Gmail account doesn't work here, then, create the app password. If you don't know how to create the app password, please check the video description. If you want to mass delete email attachments from multiple accounts permanently, please check the batch mode option. You can also use the proxy option to connect email sources using a proxy server for deleting mass email attachments from the required account. Now, hit the login button to continue the process. Now, you can see your Gmail account running in the software panel. All the mailboxes such as inbox, draft, send, trash, and more from your Gmail account showcased in the software interface. Now, go to the Filter Options button that lists many sorting fields such as data, range, to, from, and subject for deleting specific email attachments from Gmail permanently. In this tool, you will choose the date range according to the from and to date interval. There is an option to select from in this software. You can also choose to delete the sender's name as per your choice. The software gives you the option that you can delete the email of any person by choosing their name. With this option, if we write a subject and the same subject is in another email, then all of the emails will be deleted. It also has an extra option to delete email attachments having size more than, in MBs. Now, click on the delete button, tap on the delete button, and start the process of mass deleting email attachments on Gmail permanently. The demo version of the software can choose only 25 emails from the trash and spam folder to mass delete attachments on Gmail permanently. Activate the paid edition. You can check multiple mailboxes to mass delete attachments on Gmail permanently. After activation process, when you hit the delete button, then a warning message will appear that email attachments once deleted cannot be retrieved back. Are you sure you want to continue? If yes, then click the yes button. The software is running live conversion to mass delete attachments on Gmail account permanently. Finally, the process of deleting mass email attachments from Gmail permanently completed successfully. Now, go to the Gmail account to check your emails, refresh your email account. Now, you can see that the attachment has been removed from the email. Thank you for watching.